In 2 minutes lang to. Do you want to solve your money problem once and for all? Yes or no? 4 lang kailangan mo. Ito yung system na tinuturo ko. It's called the CHIP method. Everybody say CHIP method. Number 1, you should learn how to create money. Kailangan mo marunong gumawa ng pera. Pag hindi ka marunong gumawa ng pera, wala kang isi-save, wala kang i-invest, wala kang pang emergency fund. Do you agree? Yes or no? Pero may mga iba, kahit na magaling mag-create, if you don't do letter H, H is what? Handle. Pag hindi ka marunong humawak ng pera, ubos pa rin ang iyong pera. At the end of the day, it's not how much money you make, it's how much money you keep. Kahit kumita ka ng 100,000 a month, pero ang lifestyle mo nasa 120,000, lubog ka sa utang, wala kang ipon. Tama o mali? May mga iba magaling mag-create, mag-handle, pero itong problema, they fail to what? Invest. Look at me, guys. This is the reality. As I mentioned a moment ago, the moment you stop working, you stop earning, but you don't stop spending. Alam mo, kahit kumikita ka 1 million a month ngayon, nagtatrabaho ka, pero ang problema ko, ito, oras na tumigil ang trabaho mo, may 1 million ka pa ba? Wala na, tapos na. Pero yung pamilya mo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin gastos, mauubos pa rin yan. Kaya nga, ladies and gentlemen, this will be a wake-up call for all of you right now. Kung isa lang mapupulot nyo po ngayong hapon, sa session ko na ito tandaan nyo sa tanang buhay nyo. If you don't have the ability to earn money while you are sleeping, while you are taking a bath, while you are traveling, while you are enjoying in life, you cannot retire for the rest of your life. Kanino ka aasa? Pero hindi pa tapos yan.